Sa naganap na Highland Wedding nitong ika-6 ng Marso sa SM Baguio, ating tuklasan ang mga premyadong serbisyo para sa mga balak magpakasal dito sa syudad. Ang naganap na convention ay tila isang Comic-Con para sa wedding planning kung saan tampok ang mga pinakamahuhusay na makeup artist, disenyo ng mga gowns, mga banda, caterers, mga photographers at videographers, at mga wedding organizers sa rehiyon. Sa unang araw ng 3 araw na aktibidad, ayon kay Brian Pobre, ang co-owner ng Minimento Creations, ipinakita nila sa exhibition ang uniqueness ng kanilang kumpanya.
This business is actually very brand new. We frankly just had this concept maybe about 2 months ago. We started putting everything together about only a month ago and started taking pictures in different locations. So frankly, it's a very new business here in Baguio City. Although there are some businesses like this, let's say outside Baguio in Manila, but we wanted to bring it here to Baguio City. When it comes to, for example, events, we say weddings, usually you have guests where you give souvenirs, you have guest books and whatnot. What we wanted to create here, if you look here, is basically a memory, a mini memento memory where they'll have the ability to have fun, build their own Legos, customize it, and at the same time share the laughters with the memory of the weddings, for example. So what happens there, of course, they build their Legos, they put it on the guest book, which goes to the couples, and they'll have the ability to create their own selves in terms of could be a souvenir or keychain, which actually goes to the guest. So the idea right there is basically memories for both the guest and, of course, the married couple. Again, it doesn't have to be only married couple. It could be any types of events, like let's say birthday parties or graduation, or whatever you guys actually want to do for any type of events.
Bukod sa mga kakaibang grupo na nagtipon-tipon dito sa Highland Weddings, pinakilig at inaliw din nila ang mga tao sa rooftop kung saan ginanap nila ang Songs of Love.
Nakuha talaga ng banda yung kilig ng mga audience natin. Mas talagang parami sila ngayon. Kuha nila yung kilig nila, especially sa mga songs na ginagamit nila ngayon, na pinapatugtog nila ngayon, especially na it's a wedding dito ngayon sa
Para sa mga nagbabalak maghanda para sa romantical date of all time ng kanilang mga minamahal sa buhay, tayo'y makisama para sa Highland Wedding na magtatapos na ngayong ika-8 ng Marso. Ako si Roy Laigo para sa Herald Express.